Hi everyone, welcome to Rajib Canvas. In today's video, I will be draw a realistic pencil sketch portrait of Narendra Modi, step by step. Watch till end and see the complete artwork, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Hi everyone, hope you enjoy the drawing process so far. I am working step by step to complete the pencil sketch portrait of Narendra Modi. If you are enjoying this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you love art and drawing tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to Rajib Canvas for more creative content. And that's the finished pencil sketch portrait of Narendra Modi. I hope you enjoy watching this artwork come to life. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.